Ladies and gentlemen, God is vindicating Ghana small. Information reaching me right now is that the two remaining boys that were kidnapped alongside with Sheikh Toure has been found in Mali. Up to this moment, I never believe a Ghana citizen can do this kidnapping. I don't believe. It's crazy. I don't believe.
There are more updates. So, it appears he is not the only Senegalese footballer who has gone missing here in Ghana.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. A news came to me a while ago that Ghana police has finally rescued two Senegalese who were, kidnapped in Ghana. Guys, let's get right into it, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch, and definitely I will be back.
Update about the incident that happened in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, God is vindicating Ghana small. Information reaching me right now is that the two remaining boys that were kidnapped alongside with Sheikh Toure has been found in Mali. Although right now I'm not concluding that Malians are the one who kidnapped the guys. It's possible they were kidnapped in Ghana, and maybe because you are shouting too much, so they transferred them, dump them in Mali. Now, my problem with Senegalese is that they don't come and tell us now that the boy has been found. The way they are attacking everybody, shocking all of us. Liberate. They're not going to tell us now. I just found out this one from some comments, and I go research. I say, okay, it's true. They don't fund them. And these boys right now have been transferred to Senegal, and they are with the authority of Senegal right now. They never release them to their parents because they cannot even release them to their parents. Because you want to know how 3 people miss, 1 is dead. And who are those people speaking Wolof or French, asking for the ransom of those boys? Who is Issa, who carry Sheikh to hospital and claim that he was involved in an accident? Although the hospital said the boy is dead on arrival. So we need to know everything. Make Senegalese not hide any updates. Make them give us back to back the way they think they come. Because they are already involved, all of us in this thing, and we are going to, they must, they go just manage and share with us their space right now, because all of us are in this, and we go get information together. Rather than they don't fund this boy, we want more talk, we want more evidence, we want to know how come, who are the guys that, they talk to, that tell them to come to Mali, to Ghana for the professional football. We need to know, because there are some Senegalese are accusing Burkinabe. They say those kidnappers, their accent be like Burkinabe. Some say no, their accent be like Mali. Some say their accent be like Ivorian. And some are saying Ghana people who want to live them. And right now, Ghana are pointing to Nigeria. You see, everything don't mess up. Everything is mess. A lot of countries have been attacked because of what just happened to Senegal. We don't go talk anything. I'm still waiting for the final result from the Ghana authority to see that after the conclusion of everything. I don't know why they even release these boys for Senegal authority. They're supposed to be kept in Ghana for more questions, because me, I don't go, yes, say, because me now, my body, they hot. With everything Senegal don't do, in 3 days to me, my body, they hot. So guys, this is the update coming from Senegal right now. They don't fund them, but they say there's another one, Hamad, we don't even know. Anybody who miss in Senegal right now, Ghana kidnap them. And anybody who speak English, Ghanaian to Senegalese. And anybody, and all of us right now, we look like rebel to Senegalese. They think we are rebels, say we are vampire, we they eat people. And it's not like that. Up to this moment, I never believe a Ghana citizen can do this kidnapping. I don't believe. It's crazy. I don't believe. I don't see Ghana to be like this. And they don't want us to talk like that. So guys, this is the update. We want more update. Me, I just get relaxed to wait for the last thing, the way they go give us the country of those people who commit this crime. Me, I know Senegalese is involved, because who are those people speaking Wolof, speaking French to the family of this boy when they are asking for ransom? And I pray to God that Nigeria is not involved in this. I pray to God that Nigerian national or Nigerian citizens are not involved in this crisis. Oh Lord, please save Nigeria. Oh Lord, please, because Ghana will come and jump on me. Ghana will come. God, please, I beg you. So if we find out that Ghana is not involved, Nigeria is not involved, say now Senegal do this on Ghana land, we go do operation to do that on all of you. You go know, say we too, we get Chris. Just that this situation make us quiet. It's not that you people can shout or talk more than about this situation. He handcuff all of us like this. You are looking like a mosquito. No problem. Let's see the end of this story.
So we've gotten more updates on the case of the Senegalese footballers here in Ghana. There are more updates. So it appears he is not the only Senegalese footballer who has gone missing here in Ghana. There are actually 3 of them. Let me give you an update. reliable information from news agencies such as the Zimbabwe WarriorZone.com and then SaneNews.com are indicating that Sheikh Toure is not the first person to have gone missing. Actually, a certain 18-year-old Senegalese footballer was also promised to come and participate in a trial, like to come and join a football club here in Ghana and then later go to Morocco to participate in a trial. That particular guy, his name is Alassane Diallo, here in this picture. So Alassane Diallo came to Ghana. He left Senegal around July 2025 and then came to Ghana. So Alassane Diallo is a very talented footballer. And then he was there when he had an offer from some group of people who call themselves football agents here in Ghana, asking him that he should come to Ghana and join one Ghanaian youth football club where he would do some little training before they will move from Ghana to Morocco and then participate in a trial which will possibly give him some contracts in a bigger team in Europe, Spain, France, or one of these big football teams around the world. So before Diallo even came to Ghana, the agents here in Ghana who gave him that particular opportunity asked the parents of Diallo to pay 850 euros. That's approximately 850,000 CFA francs, their currency. So the parents of Diallo, Alassane Diallo, this particular guy, paid the money, and then Diallo left Senegal in July 2025 and then came to Ghana. Upon arrival, the agents who had called him to come and join this youth football club told the parents of Diallo again that the money they paid wasn't enough. They should pay another money before he can participate in the trials at Morocco. And this time, they were to pay 1,200 euros. That's approximately 1.2 million CFA francs, their currency. The parents, the brother and then mother of Alassane Diallo ran around because they are not rich. They ran around, gathered the money and then sent it to this particular fake agent. So the early days after Diallo arrived here in Ghana to participate in the football trial, he was having some communication with the parents at home, the brother and the mother. But after they paid all the monies to this particular fake agent, the communication between Alassane Diallo and his parents back at Senegal were receding and receding and receding. Then finally, communication cut off on exactly 18th October 2025. Ever since, Alassane Diallo has not been able to contact the parents, and the parents of Alassane Diallo has not also been able to contact either Alassane Diallo or the agents who had asked him to come to Ghana and then participate in the Ghanaian Youth Football Club, subsequently to be moved to Morocco for the trial. So as it stands currently, Alassane Diallo is nowhere to be found. The parents cannot contact him or his agents, and then also they don't know where he is. So the parents were still trying to make effort to contact their son here in Ghana. But after the October 17th issue, the kidnapping and murder of Sheikh Toure, another footballer from Senegal, after Sheikh Toure was kidnapped and then subsequently murdered, parents of Diallo Alassane are now very afraid for the life of their son. They have reached out to the authorities of Ghana and then Senegal to help them find their son and then bring them back. Apparently, Alassane Diallo is not also the second person to be a victim of this fake agents and then kidnapping. Another footballer who is a friend of Sheikh Toure is also a victim of this particular fake agents.
This news circulating on social media concerning about a Senegalese footballer who have been unalive in Ghana currently, and a lot of allegations and a lot of things has been going haywire on the social media. Now let's go to it. It's about Bamba, Momo and Sheikh Toure and another Nigerian female footballer. Young footballer. Ladies and gentlemen, there's this news going on that a certain Senegalese footballers have been unalive in Ghana, and a lot of allegations have been going on up and down. Some people said that it is Nigerian that have unalive the boys. Some people said that it is Togolese. Some people said they are Benin. Some people said they are Ivorian. Some people said they are Senegalese. Some people said they are Cameroonians. But to our surprise, our shocking surprise, from the Ghana police, to our shocking surprise, that we find out that the person behind this massacre, this murdering going on in this country by luring young, upcoming, talented footballers from other countries to this country in order to demand a ransom amount from their parents in this country, is no other person but a certain man called Caesar from Cameroon. And because of that, this guy, it is believed that this is the same guy that have lured a certain Nigerian upcoming footballer into this this country and detain that young girl into his apartment, and by having this sexual harassment affair with this young girl. To be frank, I have an advice for other countries, or my fellow Ghanaians, Nigerians, other countries, foreigners living in this country. Let it be noted that if you want to come to Ghana for business, for anything at all in this country, make sure the person that is bringing you into this country is genuine, or the person have entered into this country legally or illegally. Make sure you do your funding. Make sure you cross-check very well. If you are here to do business, make sure you cross-check very well that the business you are coming to do, it is legit. Make sure you know the person you are coming to visit in this country, because there are a lot of people in this country that are causing haywire, doing a lot of things which is contrary to the rules of regulation of this country. See, if crime is the problem, let's tackle crime in a universal form. Let's make sure that crime is tackled universally. Let's stop attacking nation. Let's stop saying that this is the country that have been causing this thing. Ghanaians cannot do this. Nigerians cannot do this. Cote d'Ivoire cannot do this. Togolese cannot do this. Beniners cannot do this. No. Let's stop those things. And let's make sure that we come together. We help Ghana police and fish out these bad people, these bad apples among us. I believe that crime is everywhere. So anyone behind this thing doing it in this country, we must fish out the person. But let's make sure that we stop this banter on social media by tagging nation. Nigerians are the one committing this thing. Ghanaians are the one committing this thing. No. Those things will not help us. Let's make sure we fish out the people committing this crime out, and make sure they pass through the judgment, because it is very painful when you lost a loved one.
What is happening right now is that the people of Senegal are everywhere on social media, and they are protesting now as I'm talking to you in Senegal, that they are demanding justice for their brother. And indeed, my people of Senegal, I give you my support. Protest and demand for justice, and it should be as soon as possible, because the kind of justice they are demanding for, they are not playing. These people are not playing. In fact, they are very angry. They are very, very angry, and they need to be angry. They need to be angry. And don't forget that it's even a threat to Ghanaians living in Senegal and Ghana itself, because Ghana is surrounded by francophone countries, and they are speaking French. We don't understand French. We don't even understand what they are planning for. We don't even understand what they are planning towards Ghanaians, all in the name of diplomacy, all in the name of we are one Africa. So we allow anybody to come into the country without a proper check, without any investigation, without any interview, without any source, without anything, without any questioning that what are you coming to do in the country? Let us know what you're coming to do in the country, so that if anything happens, we can trace you. Nothing like that. And look at what is happening. Ghanaians are not safe. Now, our fellow Africans who are traveling all the way from the country to come and explore, come and find opportunities in Ghana here, they are also not safe. They are being kidnapped. And those of you that are using as politics, say calling John Mahama, calling Akufo-Addo, calling the MPP, Master, it doesn't make sense. So we are in a deep mess right now. Now the country's international credibility is going. Ghana is losing good name, because now kidnapping is becoming normalized in Ghana. If you hear someone has been kidnapped and on alive, someone has been kidnapped and on alive, someone has been kidnapped and on alive. Before it was not like that. Before it was not like that. Have you seen how they are spreading false news about Ghana? The way these Nigerians are behaving, as if we are happy about this Sheikh Tourist's death. As if we have hands in this guy's kidnapped and got unalived. The way they are behaving, everything shows that they are just trying to tarnish the name of Ghana and letting the world know that they're not the only people that are committing crimes. They're not the only people that commit crimes, that Ghanaians also commit crimes. Have you seen how they are pushing their agenda? As if we Ghanaians have folded our arms and we are laughing, as if we are happy that this Senegalese player got kidnapped and unalived. You understand? And I don't blame them. I blame our leaders. I blame our leaders for not putting good measures in place, and even ask those people that are coming into Ghana, that's what is your purpose in Ghana here. That's the reason why they keep doing what they are doing. They are behaving as if you are happy about it. That's how it is. But you know something? Whatever agenda you are going to push, it's not going to happen, because we Ghanaians, we have already shown the world who we are. And it's not about spreading false news on social media. It's about meeting the person, meeting Ghanaians in person. It's about associating yourself with Ghanaians outside. It's what we're going to show you how Ghanaians really are. It's not about spreading false news about Ghana. So forget. We are going to make sure that this boy gets justice and his family gets compensated from the government of Ghana. Yes. So we are not happy. The people of Senegal, we are with you, okay? So don't believe anybody who be on social media and try to be sympathizing with you so that you can hate Ghana. You cannot hate us because we don't have hands in what has happened. But we are just trying our best to get rid of find perpetrators so that your boy will have justice.
The story of Seck Touré has not been said yet, but I believe he's a hero. And this is why I say that. After Seck Touré was killed in Ghana, investigations have been going on. A lot of people on social media have been speaking out. So many mothers in Senegal have been speaking about their ordeal with their sons going to other African countries for greener pasture. Mind you, this is not just limited to Ghana as investigations are happening. Now, let me explain why I believe he's a hero. Ghana Police Services reported on Facebook, this is what they said. 5 suspects have been arrested for allegedly HT 57 Nigerian nationals into Ghana. So literally 57 people have actually been saved right now in Ghana. And these are Nigerians that were saved in Ghana. I'm not going to focus so much on the perpetrators, but it's 5 of them. And allegedly they're also Nigerians. That means nothing to me, whether they are Nigerian, Ghanaian, Senegalese. Just because someone is Nigerian or Ghanaian doesn't make them innocent or guilty. The fact of the matter is a criminal and it doesn't discriminate. Every country has its share of criminals. Let's make that clear. I think what's important is how do we come together as Africans to bring more awareness to make sure other African youths are not victimized. I'm glad that the Ghanaian authorities are doing everything, but we hope that they will do more aggressively because the Senegalese youths that are missing are still missing. The Senegalese youths that are missing were brought into Ghana for possible contracts to go play soccer internationally. The Nigerian youths that were found were actually tricked into Ghana for potential employment. So this is not just excluded into those that want to play soccer, but also employment. What these criminals do, they use their victims to victimize more people. I'll explain. If they bring Abdul into Ghana, they will have Abdul's parents start sending money. If not, they will tell Abdul's parents that we will unalive. After the parents have been wiped out of their money, then they will have Abdul to bring another friend or family member into the country. That way they will not unalive Abdul. This is how Seck Touré went into that country. Seck's parents were asked a lot of money and they did send it. At some point, they ran out of sending money. We believe Seck was also asked to bring someone, but he refused, and that's why he was unalive. And this is why I believe Seck is a hero. I genuinely hope all African people across the globe, wherever you are, we make this our business. If you're on TikTok, to make a video, write something, say something so that you spread awareness, not only for the kids in Ghana, but also potentially in your neck of the wood from where you're from. Because it is not excluded to Ghana. This happens all across Africa.
Wow, guys, I never knew it was 3 people who were kidnapped though. I thought it's just one person, that's the goalkeeper. I never knew it was 3. So Momo and the other one, I don't know how to pronounce the name, pardon me on that, we are found and returned back to Senegal. Wow, that's a great news. I'm just imagining if this incident, like this whole scenario happened in Nigeria, or Loru, that's what the Yoruba would say. That's I swear. You will not you not see their brake lights. That's just it. But then that's the difference between Ghana and Nigeria. Yeah. So Ghana police tried their best to see that they rescued the 2 since one person was found dead. Yeah. Well, this is very sad, but what can we do? It has happened. I saw a video of a Nigerian, talking to Ghanaian youth who were, putting pressure on on Ghana government about the issue that happened. Yeah, this Nigerian guy was like, the Ghanaian youth, we are not supposed to talk to their governments that way, especially their immigration, their police. But you will not understand the reason why Ghanaian youth were, putting pressure on the immigration and the police. When something is not really common in your country, I bet you're going to do the same thing. So whenever you see something like this happening in Ghana, what you should do is to shut your mouth. Yes, that's why we always remind you that Ghana is not for you guys. Ghana is for Ghanaians and not Nigerians. You don't have right to tell them what to do in their country. As you are staying in Ghana, yes, they accepted you, they accommodated you. I'm not saying your accommodation is free. Of course, you will pay. But the peace of mind you are getting here in Ghana is enough to appreciate Ghanaians, right? So stop putting your mouth in issues like this. You don't have right to advise them. Well, yes, that's what I have to tell you. But then, guys, let's take a look at the guy's video. Let's hear what he have to say. I don't know if my query is wrong, but this is just what I have to tell this guy. So, guys, let's see what he have to say. And please, at the end of the video, I would love you to drop your opinion, okay? Yes, for sure. Let's have a conversation in the comment section. Let's watch the video.
So guys, I've been seeing the news about this Senegal guy. You understand? This legend player who buy in Ghana here. We be saying a kidnapper kidnap that guy. You understand? And buy that guy for Ghana here. Allegedly. So what they try to say is that Ghana bloggers, you people stop to the blame on Air Force. You people stop to the blame on Air Force, you know good. If these people will die for you people, go to Nigeria. Go to Nigeria. Go and see as then they keep people anyhow. Kidnapper for that matter. Nothing where government they talk. See this small one where happen for Ghana here, where you people they blame on immigration. They blame on police. Is it easy? You where they look me, where call yourself Ghana bloggers. Is it easy? If it's not easy for you, why not join Ghana police or Ghana immigration? Go to Nigeria, go and confirm it. Kidnappers everywhere. They cannot hold a nice phone, then go kidnap you. Nobody go care. This boy will die for here, not being what they talk about now. If it's not in Nigeria, nobody go talk about that boy. You don't go, be say you don't go. You understand? Where be saying they kidnap citizen, they kill citizen. You understand? Talking about foreigner. You understand? You people they blame on our Air Force. Una know the shame. Una they spoil on Air Force. I they tell now. For those of you where be bloggers where they talk nonsense, una they crazy. Una they crazy. Is it easy? Is it easy to become a police? Is it easy to? Why not join them? You where they blame immigration? Why not join immigration? You where they blame on Air Force? Why not join them?